Cause love are the only way to live right. Listen up now. Hear me say, we are the children of love. Love is the only language we know how to speak. No hate, no war, no grudge. Only peace and unity we see. We are the children of love. Love is the fire that keep we weak and strong. From Kingston town to Lagos, love are the rhythm and the song. Some man build wall, we build bridge. Them preach revenge, we preach forgive. Them chant down Babylon with anger, but we chant love, make the world live longer. See the youth on the corner, hardcore like the street where them born. We bring light, we warm them soul. Tell them say Jah love make we whole. We are the children of love. Love is the only language we know how to speak. No hate, no war, no grudge. Only peace and unity we see. From Africa to Jamdown Island, same blood flow in a every man. No matter the color, the creed or the clan. Love are the heartbeat for every nation. So me say one love, one aim, one destiny. No division, no jealousy. When we walk in the light of the Almighty, love are the truth, we set we free. So when the world get cold and rough, me tell them love still strong enough to heal the pain, to break the chain. Love are the language we never in vain. We are the children of love. Love is the only language we know how to speak. No hate, no war, no grudge. Only peace and unity we see. We are the children of love. Love is the song where Jah people sing. So spread it near, spread it far. Love are the key if we open every heart. Yeah. Vision of love, we say rise up. Loving at the morning, loving at the night. Cause love are the light we shine so bright. Still a one heart, one mind, one job, one love.
Me people, remember to subscribe, share the vibe, spread the message. One love.